Welcome to my Jamaican YouTube channel. On this channel, I take you on a journey to explore the vibrant and rich culture of Jamaica. Whether you're a Jamaican living abroad, a curious traveler, or simply a lover of Caribbean culture, you've come to the right place. From our mouth-watering cuisine and infectious music, to our colorful festival and fascinating history, I showcase the best of Jamaica and give you an insider's look at our beloved island. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the warmth, beauty, and spirit of Jamaica through my videos. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm here talking with a sculptor who goes by the name of Rock Bottom. Guys, check this out. Good. I like your collection.
Yeah, man. I'm doing this for a very long time, you know? Like
Yes.
44 years now.
44 years.
Yeah.
So you do this sculpture yourself?
Yeah. First I start this business with conch shell, which is this. Generally how I come into business. I was working in Manchineel in a boxing plant when in 1980, the first hurricane I know. So it blew down the banana them. So I didn't have any work because without no banana, they don't need any man to make box.
Right.
So I go to sea and start diving fish and dive conch. So one day I'm in Manchineel taking out the conch from out of the shell. And there was a vehicle that passing through Manchineel, people from Port Antonio. They see me with the shell and told me that tourists buy shell in Port Antonio.
Yes.
I never come to Port Antonio. I don't remember if I even see a white person before. But I come in the town with my shell.
Yes.
And then the guys them we start to sell tourists, I start to sell them shell. And when they don't have any money, I credit them until it back up and they cannot pay me. So one day I go and nobody want any shell, right?
Right.
So I come out of the bank pizza and put out the shell on the bank pizza. I didn't even know if to talk to tourists. But a guy named Courtney used to take picture. He come around and see me and start to help me and he start to sell shell.
Yes.
When he's not there, some pimp, these guys that travel with tourists, walk with tourists and beg money, they come here and start helping me sell the shell. But no matter what they get for the shell, they only give me $2. But I'm a countryman, I do a glad for the $2. If they sell it for $5, then give me $2. So when I'm in the business now and start to get to know it, I run them way and I start doing thing myself.
Yes.
But generally there are 3 guys there that doing carving. One man named Bigger, he come from Montego Bay and there was 2 Rasta man. But after a while Bigger did leave and me and end up with 3 Rasta man and next Rasta man come and do carving. And I start watch them do the carving and watch them till I buy 3 pieces of tool and I go home. And when I go home I start make. I know me and make something and I stand it and I carry it come at the front and when I come away and put it out, they start to laugh at them. So what that they make because they're ugly and favor me. So I don't do anything. I may start, but when the Star Wars ship come and the tourists come off of the ship, the tourists pass all the nice carving them and come by the ugly one them.
All right.
So the man they say I science me work because no tourists are supposed to buy those. But guess what happened now? Through them locks, some white girl come and love them and take them and carry them gone to Europe and left me alone. So after a while now I start work and then them make up the craft market, the Musgrave market.
Yes.
And then we move off of the bank page and go in the Musgrave market. A lady named Mabel Wilson, when they was fighting for me through politics and so, and you know my people them, he make me get a stall in the Musgrave market.
Okay.
And then after a while, me there inside there and me start doing carving and that wasn't so perfect, but them I sell.
Yes.
And then one day a tourist board come in there and they see a piece of carving and they say they're doing a brochure and they do the brochure with the carving where me make.
Yes.
And the people might tell me how much you charge the tourist board people them. And I say, no, so I not charge you, miss. You see anything for the better of Jamaica, I will guarantee and do it free. And
Okay.
after they do the brochure, in one time, me did there and then the book come out and see me in at the front of the book we do the carving. I know me supposed to have a piece of, can show you something out of it, one whole one.
Yeah.
So one time there in the
So
market,
you were self-taught. You
Self-taught.
basically teach yourself the
Yeah, but I used to
trade.
watch a man in Alban McQueen. He was a great carver and I used to watch him
Okay.
every time. So I look upon him and self-taught. So to join me now one time, a lady named Star work at tourist board. Come and say, rock bottom. The tourist board people and call me from New Kingston and say, if you have a passport, they want to carry America, go represent Jamaica. I say, what? That was the greatest thing for me. Because all the while I want to travel, and yes, I go to America now. Then time I look about my passport and the tourist board people and carry me an embassy and we get a one entry visa and we travel to Coconut Grove, Miami. And you know, I deal, everybody from my band, I know to deal with people nice and stuff. So that was the greatest joy for me. So the next year, tourist board called me again to go. And they bring me to the embassy and I get a 10-year visa. And then we go to Brooklyn Botanical Garden and we do promotion. And then we left from Brooklyn and go to Batch Park in Manhattan. So it was those greatest time as a tourist board. They're the greatest people. I love them. Maybe I still have more to learn, but I thank God for where we really reach.
Good. So how the business rock bottom?
Well, tell you what now. Generally in Portland to the craft village here, it's slow but we're still surviving.
Yes.
Because when the cruise ship come, we don't get no people. Might have 2 or 3 ships come out here where we get the people and come in. All the last 2 ships will come, I might 3 or 4 people. In all together, the ship maybe 7 people come in here and it's workers.
So how does the business thrive then? Who support the business
The people
to allow it to, so you can make a living from it?
The people at the villa, them like G-Jam people look for us, and like Mr. Lower Wills Bay, and some our Jamaican foreigners. Wherever people come, I treat them good so they will want to come back. Because there's a technique in doing business.
Yes.
You see, when a tour people come here, you have to look for the other one and treat him very good.
Yes.
Give him a present and welcome him, and then the rest of them way. And me like give joke, you know. You see me have a group of tourists and I start give them joke and they start to laugh. We say I have a chance of selling something.
Yes.
So me always do something to make people love me.
Yes,
you know?
yes, nice.
So that's the greatest thing of the business.
Lovely.
Yeah.
And you plan to stay in the business?
Well, I love it.
Good.
I love it.
Great.
This is the only work I'm doing from my leave. I used to do fishing, just craft.
Yes.
Yeah,
So we're gonna end now, rock bottom. But if somebody want to reach out to you to get something or to talk to you about the business, how would they reach you?
My number is 844-9946.
All right, guys, I will put the number on the screen.
And if people want to order any sign or anything, I make sign and stuff for people.
Okay.
You know?
All right, rock bottom. Thank you so very much.
But I would like you to see all of my investment because I have a lot more craft on here.
So let's move on to the next section.
Right now we're doing some too far with different, huh? These bowl of driftwood bowls. Bowl of driftwood, huh? my small keyring pieces, but you see I didn't make these, you know. But anybody buy a keyring right away, I put their name on the back.
Okay.
It don't take a minute to do that.